Hey guys, Arnold back here again. We got a new project coming up. It's a 2016 Hyundai Elantra. It has some pretty sizable damages, but it's always a good foundation for good projects. So in a minute, I'll show you guys what we got, and we'll get started on it. See you. All right, guys, here we go. So this is the front. I'm gonna start on this side right here, passenger side. Got some fender damages here. I don't know if you can see on the bottom. I already took out some of the clips to kind of assess the damage as well. See, we'll have to replace the fender or just fix that up, which is going to be in the next video. Definitely going to need a bumper support mount here. The frame is still good. We're going to need some headlights. We're going to need a bumper. We are going to need to replace that little motor right there. The inner fender was ate up by the tires, so we're gonna have to check that out. The radiator support mount, the lower support mount, is completely broken, and this is bent right here, so we'll have to replace that. The support bar is still good. Headlight support is good. I already took out the radiator support, the upper radiator support, to kind of make sure that it wasn't too bad, but it was bad because the coolant reservoir is broken. Radiator is going to have to be replaced. AC condenser is going to have to be replaced. See that nick over there? It's pretty bad. The horn is going to have to be replaced as well. It even broke the horn. So on the driver's side, it's going to be the same. We do have the support mount there for the bumper. We'll get the headlights. Looks about right. It seems like it did have fog lights, so we'll have to get that taken care of as well. Fender wheel well is pretty good. There's some swipe marks right there that we'll have to buff out and wax off. Hopefully it does come out pretty well. Yeah, tint is a no-go. We'll need some tail lights here. The latch is good. The hatch is good. Bumper is good. The broken one is in there. It already has a backup camera, so there's no electrical work that's going to be done as far as the entertainment system or radio or anything like that on this one. The bumper definitely has some spots there that we'll be working on. But overall, I think it's pretty good. There's no hail damage. We'll get that taken care of as well. I checked it out as well, and the brakes were pretty low on it. I don't know if you can see with the video right now, so we'll definitely wash those rotors and we'll polish them if needed, but we'll definitely work on changing the brakes as well, front and back. The interior is full of things right now, so I can show you the interior, but I will in another video. But yeah, as you can see, definitely gonna need some changing. We'll also go ahead and work on the rims and repair some of those scuffs. They're pretty deep, but it's nothing we can't fix. I mean, it's a regular 16-inch wheel, so we'll see what we can do. But there you have it, guys. The motor is good. Started it. It's a little overheating because there's no coolant, but that should get us to the promised land, and we should be able to get something pretty good here to go. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thumbs up.